The car world is changing. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are no longer a niche curiosity. They are quickly becoming the norm. Countries are pushing for greener solutions, and consumers are demanding more efficient vehicles. The stage is set for an electric revolution. And it's about time. We've been choking on fumes for long enough. The future is electric, and frankly, it's exciting. China, the world's largest car market, is at the forefront of this EV revolution. They're not just building electric cars, they're building them affordably. Brands like BYD and Wuling are churning out EVs at prices that make traditional automakers sweat. These Chinese EVs are stylish, practical, and easy on the wallet. They're flooding the market, forcing everyone to up their game. This is good news for consumers, but a major challenge for established players. Traditional automakers like Ford, Volkswagen, and GM are giants. They've dominated the industry for a century, but their size and legacy are now a hindrance. They rely heavily on a complex web of third-party suppliers for parts. This system worked well for decades, but it's slow and inflexible. In the fast-paced world of EVs, this reliance on external suppliers is a major disadvantage. Adapting to new technologies and scaling production becomes a logistical nightmare. Section 4. The Trailblazers, Tesla, and BYD's vertical integration. Enter the disruptors, Tesla and BYD. These two companies have revolutionized the electric vehicle industry with their unique approach. These companies are doing things differently. They have redefined the traditional automotive manufacturing process. They've embraced vertical integration, meaning they manufacture most of their parts in-house. This strategy is a game changer in the industry. This gives them incredible control over their production process and supply chain. By managing everything from raw materials to finished products, they ensure quality and efficiency. Tesla, for example, builds its own batteries, motors, and software. This allows them to innovate rapidly and integrate new technologies seamlessly. BYD, similarly, controls a vast portion of its component manufacturing. They produce batteries, electric motors, and even some of the raw materials. This level of integration allows them to innovate quickly and adapt to changes in the market with unmatched agility. They can respond to supply chain disruptions and market demands more effectively than their competitors. As a result, Tesla and BYD are not just car manufacturers. They are pioneers in the electric vehicle revolution, setting new standards for the industry. Section 5. The power of in-house over-the-air updates and beyond. The benefits of vertical integration go beyond just manufacturing. It allows companies like Tesla to have complete control over their vehicle's software. Need to fix a recall issue? No problem, just send an over-the-air update. Traditional automakers can only dream of such efficiency. Their reliance on third-party parts and software often means physical recalls and dealership visits, costing time and money. The ability to update and improve vehicles remotely is a game changer. Section 6. Software, the Achilles heel of traditional automakers. Speaking of software, this is where traditional automakers really fall behind. Despite their expertise in mechanical engineering and manufacturing, they often lag in the digital realm. Their infotainment systems and driver assistance features often feel clunky and outdated compared to the competition. These systems are not just about convenience. They are integral to the modern driving experience. Integrating software from multiple suppliers is like trying to fit square pegs into round holes. Each component may work well on its own, but together, they often create a disjointed user experience. Tesla and BYD, on the other hand, develop their software in-house to integrate seamlessly with their hardware. This vertical integration allows them to optimize every aspect of the user interface and functionality. This results in a smoother user experience, better performance, and more advanced features. The responsiveness of the touchscreen, the intuitiveness of the controls, and the seamless operation of various features make a significant difference. In the age of connected cars, software is king, and traditional automakers are struggling to keep up. The future of the automotive industry is not just about horsepower and torque. It's about data, connectivity, and user experience. As we move towards autonomous driving and smart cities, the importance of integrated, high-quality software will only grow. Traditional automakers must adapt or risk being left behind in this digital revolution. The challenge is clear: evolve and innovate in the software domain, or face obsolescence. The road ahead is paved with digital opportunities, and those who can harness them will lead the way. Section 7. The Future Landscape. A new era of automotive dominance. The rise of Chinese EVs and the success of Tesla's vertically integrated model are sending shockwaves through the automotive industry. These companies are not just making cars, they are redefining what it means to drive. With cutting-edge technology and innovative business models, they are setting new standards for efficiency, sustainability, and performance. Traditional automakers are at a crossroads. The old ways of manufacturing and selling cars are being challenged like never before. The internal combustion engine, once the heart of the automotive world, is now seen as a relic of the past. They can either adapt or risk being left behind. This means investing heavily in research and development, embracing new technologies, and rethinking their entire approach to car design and production. The next decade will be fascinating to watch. We will see a race to innovate, with companies vying to outdo each other in terms of range, charging speed, and autonomous driving capabilities. Will traditional giants rise to the challenge and reinvent themselves? Can they leverage their decades of experience and brand loyalty to stay relevant in this new era? Or will new players like Tesla and Chinese companies dominate the electric future? These newcomers are agile, innovative, and unburdened by legacy systems, giving them a significant advantage. One thing is certain: the automotive industry will never be the same again. The shift to electric vehicles is not just a trend, it's a revolution that will reshape our cities, our economies, and our lives.